The ants have found a new home after Hurricane Delta. Check this out. Are you seeing this? Nothing like a cool, dry place to hang out. This can't work. My post person would not be very happy when she opened this, would she? The destruction must begin. I will be leading off with the soap and vinegar solution to deal with this ant problem. I'll show. All right, let's see what we get here. This could be kind of nasty. Oh, yes, yes. Sorry to disrupt your party. I mean, kind of, I really honestly have a live and let live mindset. Post-Hurricane Delta torrent apparently drove these directly out of the ground and into my mailbox. Hey, this is Brother Barnes. The ants in this video were little, rather harmless black ants as far as I could tell. Be careful around fire ants. They are much more aggressive and dangerous. Fire ants are common in subtropical and tropical areas.